Hey guys, got a 500 gram cake here from Dragon Blade Fireworks. This is a pretty new brand. I've heard a couple good things about them, so found this in a store this year and decided to give it a try. It's a 500 gram cake, 30 shots, and the description is wonderful silver chrysanthemum flower mined to brocade to color peony and white strobe stars. Pretty decent sized cake. If you can see that, for 30 shots, pretty nice sized tubes. So we're going to shoot it off tonight and see how good it looks. I love the artwork on it. Kind of got a Walking Dead thing going on there. So tonight we'll shoot it off and see what it does.
That's a good one. We have the order that everything's in, so.